In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics 4 in this essential beginner's overview. Google Analytics 4, or GA4, is the latest version of Google's web analysis platform, and it's crucial for anyone who runs a website or is involved in digital marketing to understand how to leverage its functionality. Let's dive right in to set up your Google Analytics for effective use. First, head to Google in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This is typically found at the upper right corner of the homepage. If you don't have a Google account yet, pause here to create one, as you'll need it to access Google Analytics. After clicking Sign In, select your Google account from the list provided. You might be asked to enter your password too. Ensure you have this ready for a smooth login process. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see the Google Apps menu, represented by a grid of 9 small squares. Click on this icon. When the menu opens, scroll through the options and select Google Analytics. This will take you directly to the Google Analytics interface. Once inside, it's time to go to the admin section, which is found at the lower left corner of your Analytics homepage. Click on admin, setting the stage for us to create a new property, which is essentially the profile for a website or app you want to track. Look for the create button located at the top left corner and select it. Here you will choose property. It's time to set up the initial parameters for your property. Enter a descriptive property name that clearly identifies your website or app. Furthermore, set your time zone so reports align with your local time. You'll also need to specify your preferred currency to ensure financial data is accurate. After entering these details, go ahead and click Next. This will guide you to a section where you can add the industry category. Choose the category that best fits your type of business. This aids in generating relevant reports and insights. Following this, you'll need to specify your business size. Google uses this information to tailor its services and provide more precise recommendations for your analytics use. Once that's done, click Next again. You'll be prompted to add your business objectives, helping Google Analytics to focus on areas most important to you, be it increasing your online sales, enhancing brand awareness, or something else. Now that all the preliminaries are set, click on Create to finalize your property setup. At this stage, you'll have the option to choose if you want to start tracking a specific platform such as Android, iOS, or web. However, if you're not ready to decide, feel free to skip this part. Finally, don't forget to click Continue to Home to finish the setup and start exploring your newly created Google Analytics homepage. And that's it, you're all set up. With Google Analytics 4, you can now begin analyzing your user data to make informed decisions and drive your business growth.